Hello students. Today we will discuss about soil erosion, effects of soil erosion and methods of soil conservation. So firstly we should know the meaning of soil erosion. Soil erosion is a slow process of movement and transport of upper layer of topsoil by water, wind, ice, etc. Or you can say removal of top layer of soil is called soil erosion. Soil erosion is a serious problem affecting the land all over the world. This is very serious for farmers because if the soil has eroded, the crops will not grow. And if the crops will not grow, how we can get the food to eat? That's why this is too much serious problem and we should take steps to conserve the soil and reasons for soil erosion is different. This is happening due to wrong human practices. Although it is a natural process, but human activities are largely responsible for this, or you can say soil erosion. So which human practices are responsible for it? First one is cutting down of trees. Second one is overgrazing by animals. And third one is mining activities are responsible for soil erosion. Beside these reasons, many other reasons are also there. And soil erosion needs to be checked through appropriate measures of soil conservation. Now we will discuss about the methods of soil conservation. How can we conserve the soil? Firstly, we can stop overgrazing by animals. As you are looking in these pictures, animals are moving freely and doing overgrazing. So we should stop such type of practices. And second one is we should adopt selective agricultural practices like crop rotation and multiple cropping method. This is crop rotation. So what is the meaning of crop rotation? It means practice of growing different type of crops in same area in sequence season so that soil can regain the nutrients. This is called crop rotation. And multiple cropping method means growing two or more than two crops in the same piece of land during one growing season instead of one crop, as you are looking in this picture. Okay, this is multiple cropping method. So first point we have discussed plantation of trees. Second, we should adopt selective agricultural practices like crop rotation and multiple cropping method. Overgrazing by animals must be checked, and development and management of pasture land. And next point is flooding of river is also the main cause of soil erosion. So by building dams, we can also prevent the soil. And other than these points, we can also create awareness among the people to conserve the soil. So in this way, we can conserve soil. You have to write 5 points about soil conservation in your notebook. This is your homework. Thank you. Next we will discuss in next lecture.